क्या बोलो?
क्या बोलूं?
हाँ,
आपको कोई रोक सकता बोलने से?
What should we do? शांत हो जा बेटा, शांत हो जा। ट्रेलर की तारीफ हो रही है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तेरा दिमाग खराब हो जाए।
Brilliant actor, ladies and gentlemen. Every single time we see her on the big screen, we are like, we're sure कि बहुत कमाल की performance देने वाली हैं। पल्लवी जोशी जी के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां, and acknowledging all the lovely people. Kausar Munir ji, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Ashok sir, thank you for being a part of this. Of course, I know you've come here as a friend to be here with Anupam Sahab. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, officially on behalf of Anupam Kher Studios in association with NFDC and supported by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, I would like to welcome you for this grand trailer launch of Tanvi the Great. Different but no less. You know, we were here a couple of days back, I would say, because पता ही नहीं लगा इतने दिन निकल गए, and we were here for the first look जब हमने शुभांगी को देखा था सबसे पहली बार. You know, Kajol ji was here. Of course, the entire fraternity gave you so much love thanks to this gentleman who's sitting here, your director साहब. So अभी बड़ी सारी बातें करनी है, लेकिन उससे पहले I must say, no matter what I say, ladies and gentlemen, कितने भी एडजेक्टिव्स मैं यहाँ पे यूज कर लूंगा वो उन सब के आगे फीके पड़ जाएंगे जो सारा प्यार इंटरनेशनली तन्वी द ग्रेट को मिला है इतने सारे फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स पे. तो आई थिंक वन मोर टाइम खेर साहब के डिटर्मिनेशन के लिए, उनके करेज के लिए और इस पूरी टीम के लिए तालियां बनती हैं. और उन तालियों के साथ मैं इनवाइट करना चाहूंगा दिस ब्रिलियंट एक्टर ऑन स्टेज. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, गिव इट अप फॉर अनुपम खेर.
Got in the last so many years, but Tanvi the Great is very special. Tanvi the Great is Tanvi is my niece, and she's great, and that's how I got the idea of making this film. My writers Abhishek and Ankur, we sat together. Baman was our help. I'm sorry that Baman is not here. Ian Glenn is not here, and Arvind is not here, and Nasser Saab, they're all abroad. So this journey started about 3.5 years back. And Andy, I'm so happy to see you, our colorist. So many people. Anil ji, thank you so much. बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. भावना, thank you. भावना और कोमल सुपरस्टार थे, सबसे एंड में आए. आपके लिए वेट कर रहे थे. अच्छा, मुझे नहीं पता था. But thank you, you're here, you're friends, you've been with us. So I don't know, you ask me a question, I'll answer that because there are too many things and we have so many things to show today. I will be able to be brief if you ask me a question.
Somewhere, you know, you've answered the question by saying कि stage पे चढ़ने से पहले वो theatre background है, because see every time we've done this, I don't know how many times.
Yes.
Every time you're like super calm, super cool. आज थोड़ा सा कुछ.
Because आज 2-3 responsibilities हैं. एक I'm a director of the film.
Yes.
It took me 23 years to make a film because 23 years back when I made Om Jai Jagdish, it was not my story. And I was very excited that Vashu ji had given me a film to direct, and now from an actor I've become a director. And then I thought one day I will make a film if it is from my heart. So 4 years back I was in Gurgaon attending my brother Raju's daughter's Vrinda's wedding, and everybody was dancing, having fun. And my 13-year-old niece at that time, now she's 17, Tanvi, who is autistic, she was standing on a corner and looking at the mountains. So I asked her, Tanvi, what are you looking at? She said, I'm looking at my world. And that statement shook me a little because she could not describe what her world is, and I could not understand what her world is. And that gave the seed to the film. And I wanted to do it in a musical manner. I wanted it to be larger than life. I wanted to have it epic quality. And I was very fortunate that I'm a great admirer of Kiravani sir, M.M. Karim sir. And I called him up because I wanted only him. In this film, I have only wanted people, and I've always and only got them. So I, sir, and he was traveling to some place, and he said, "Okay, das sunaiye, sunaiye." So I think I must have mentioned about 7 or 8 minutes, and he said, "I'm doing the film." And just 2 days back, he had got an Oscar. We are so fortunate. We have 2 Oscar winners here. That's in itself is the richness. And then when I recorded the songs, Jackie once came home and I played the songs with him, and he said, "Wow!" And both of us had moved togetherness, and Jackie became part of the film, and then Baman, and then of course Arvind Swamy, and I wanted Ian Glenn to play a role, and Karan I requested, I said, I want you. So I must say that all my actors, all major actors, because there was an incident that happened because my financier pulled out of the project 1 month before the film was to go on floor, and they said, "जब पैसे होंगे दे देना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?" And that really is so good for a director, producer who is just trying to sort of tell a story which is very personal to me. Yes. Because this project is not that I wanted to make a film. And then, of course, Mr. Thadani came and saw the film. And he called me at 1:30 in the night. He said few things which I don't. He is now, after he's said that he's taking the film, now he's very reserved, because he's like that principal जो student को बोलता है ऐसे ऐसे करना है, यहाँ से इधर करना है, यहाँ से इधर करना, which is very thankful, because thanks to him the film is looking the way it is. Yes. And then of course we now we have Excel Entertainment, and I'm so thrilled that Farhan Akhtar and Ritesh Sidwani are part of it. And then Mr. Rasool Pokoti means the magician of sound. The difficult task was to cast Tanvi. And anyway, we have revealed that. For that, Kausar Munir has written some unbelievable songs. And one thing I must say that when we were having the New York premiere, so you asked me outside, why did you start from abroad?
Abroad, yeah. Why not in India?
So I feel it's a film from India for the world. It's a universal subject, and autism. And I didn't want to show autism as a disability. I wanted to show autism as superpower, and that's what comes across. And my whole team of assistants, my music का बारे में बता दिया मैंने. There are 2 girls who are doing the debut for the first time. They have sung playback singing. Kruti is here, the choreographer, the legendary. She's young legend, not legendary. अभी बुलाने में time है, but she always makes me feel that she's legendary. And Bright के हमारे दोस्त हैं. थैंक यू सो मच सर. आपके बगैर तो पोस्टर ही नहीं लगते हैं. ये वाला हमने जैसे तैसे लगवा दिया. अब आप लगाएंगे तो और भी अच्छा होगा. या
So that's all about it, sir. Trailer देखेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले.
So I thought, Keeravani sir, thank you very much for coming under the circumstances that you have come here. I really am deeply moved by you. Were supposed to come yesterday morning because of some issue of your family. Father is not well, sir, and you still came. That shows your commitment to work and your friendship with me. I think Keeravani sir's father is very, very, very unwell, but he came. So I would like to invite the musical team. ये हमारे जो गाने हैं, they are going to sing live. I thought it will be because trailer में music गाने नहीं हैं. And thank you Z for taking our music. And so I wanted 2 new voices for Tanvi's. I said we must have something believable in terms of, because वरना लगता गाना सुनते आपको लगता है ये उसने गाया, which is brilliant, which is fantastic. But I thought let's sort of use. So sir ने जब हम rehearsal कर रहे थे, by the way we did the music of the film 1 year before we started shooting. I knew this is how I want. And he made me listen to 2 tracks by 2 young ladies, and he said, अब किससे गवाना है? मैंने कहा इन्हीं से गवाना है. And because if you like something, and I run an acting school where I think I'm supposed to give chances to new people, and someday, 40 years back, Mahesh Bhatt and Rashri gave me a chance. And I'm standing here because of that chance. So, Gomti Iyer, and come. या मुझे सब पता है आपके बारे में, ऊपर आके बताते हैं. Gomti, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Shagun. Shagun is a very dear friend's daughter, Mr. Sodi, who used to do background score for all the Neeraj Pandey films and so many other films. They have sung, and we have Gemini sir. Gemini sir, where is... oh, there is. Mr. Gemini sir is with... and Bharat, who is fondly called Pondi because he comes from Pondicherry. So Kareem sir has given him name Pondi. So Pondi, Bharat, please come. And then one and only the world's most favorite, my most favorite music director. He's an institution. Knowing him in the last 3 years have been one of the richest experiences of my life. Not only from the music point of view, I think he is the most unbelievable storyteller, and also has a richness of heart. He's very funny, and he is a magician of music. Mr. M.M. Kiravani sir. Thank you. We also, among us, also have the presence of, the film has a background of army, and a friend of mine who is General Pushkar. He's here as a friend, but thank you, sir. General Saab, we acknowledge your presence. Ashok, you're always there. Raj has sung a song. Ashok's son, he sung a song. And sir, what should we do?
Let the music do the talking. So, ladies and gentlemen, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं सबके लिए यहाँ पे, of course.
So we are not using any track, etc. I know that you people are recording it, but anyway, I think let's do it. The film is a musical.
Check. Check.
Good morning, everyone. This particular music you must have heard more than 1,000 times in the lobby and in the theater, like Lakshmi Sahasranamam. But still, I wanted to present it from the original singer, Gomati, and thank you very much for that. Before presenting a few songs from Tanvi the Great live with the original singers here, I just want to share my personal feelings with you. My friend Neeraj Pandey a few years back asked me to just quickly pick my most favorite song from the thousands of the songs I have in my library. I'm sure everybody of you will be having thousands of in your own libraries too. But it's very difficult for most of you to pick just one song from the thousands of the songs. At least 100 favorite songs will pop up in your mind. But I quickly managed to just mention about one song to him, and he was surprised and happy too. I just want to present that song to you now in reference with my life and my current status of my life. I attended a recording session in 1990, exactly 35 years back, in Mehboob studio, where Lakshmiji and Pyaraji were recording for a Telugu song. I was there attending the session as an assistant for the Telugu director, Mr. Kranti Kumar. I was there to sing the track along with Kavita Krishnamurthy. So it was a 100-piece orchestra, I think even more. Lots of string section, tablas and percussions, many of them stalwart musicians. And Pyaraji on his piano and with long book, each 16 bars he was swiping the pages. And it was very wonderful to watch this session. And ever since, in 1990, I had a chance, my first chance to compose music for movies. I had the privilege to record my own songs with the same, almost same body of orchestra. At least every day 50 musicians, 50 to 60 of musicians we used to assemble in the theaters, very huge theaters. Chennai was my hometown for more than 20 years. In Chennai, I used to record, and slowly scenes have changed. Now we record songs remotely. Somebody is singing from somewhere, and some violinist is playing from somewhere. Everybody is disorientedly, they just participate, not knowing what is happening in a larger scale. So that's how we produce mechanically. Of course, we still do good music. People do good music, but the process of producing music has become very mechanical and very non-emotional, by which my contemporary musicians have died, many of them, and Chennai city is not the same anymore. So my most favorite city, Chennai, I don't visit there anymore frequently, because it gives me pain to see the change. Of course, change has to be invited and embraced by new generations. Change is always good. But for people like me who are fond of old memories, and we cannot accept the change so easily. My father is not well now. He's 93, of course. Eventuality is inevitable. But he made Mumbai his hometown. He ran away from his village and he came here to join JJ School of Arts, and he got diploma and he made this hometown. He knows how Sun and Sand looked that way, how celebrities visited Sun and Sand Hotel, Juhu Beach, everything. His mind is full of Bombay. And yesterday I boarded my flight in the morning, but I received a call from the hospital. So I was about to come to Bombay, but one Bombayite was calling me. That's my father. So I came, went back home, and took the necessary decisions and actions to do that are needed. And again, I visited yesterday night. That's a different story. Now, I used to write letters to my sister who is abroad, and I don't write letters anymore because of the WhatsApp and all. So this is an unending list. The things have changed a lot. So I carry lots of bitter thoughts in my head all the time, no matter what, where I'm recording or going on a holiday, but my mind is always full of sadness. So let me present this song to you. You may wonder what this song has got to do with Tanvi the Great. I will explain. But let me present this song, composed by S.T. Burman the Great, written by Kaifi Azmi the Great, sung by Muhammad Rafi the Great, and the eve of the trailer release function of Tanvi the Great. देखी ज़माने की यारी, बिछड़े सभी